Hello, welcome back to APS CAD tutorial. Today we will learn about the leader and multi-leader. Regarding the leader, we have two options, multi-leader and quick leader. Normally, multi-leader we are using always because it's easy and very comfort. I will just explain the quick leader. It is not good to use, but I will just explain this one. You can see my fast forward video. Just understand the quick leader. Do you know why it is not good for to use? This quick leader, if you made the text and the leader is separate part. So if you are moving the text, the leader will not be attached. So this is the main and the first problem for the quick leader. So we will use the multi-leader. It is all the things covered, but it's very nice to use and it's very easy. So we will learn about the multi-leader. See this highlighted area, all different types of multi-leader is here. But I used one multi-leader style only and I custom made with properties. To get the leader, we are using the keyboard shortcut LE enter. LE enter is using for quick leader. So instead of quick leader, we have to edit this command. LE we have to use multi-leader. So that's why we have to edit the command. To edit the command, we have to go to the manage tab and edit alias and the coming text box put like this and close and save. Then put reinish, tick the PGP file and OK. So now we can use LE enter for multi-leader instead of quick leader. To edit the multi-leader style, MLS enter. Modify. In the leader format, if it is, you can have three options, straight, spline and none. Spline should be curved type, straight should be the straight line one. For the colors, all the things we learn about the text style, it is better to use by layer. An arrowhead. We can use any arrow of this drop down list or we can use the custom made. Use arrow. This is custom made arrow. You can also make any custom made arrow. If you need this drawing, on the description box I provide already the link. You can take it from there. Or we can make whatever we need the custom block. Just make it and make this block and specific name. The specific name you have to use in there. Modify, symbol and custom and whatever the arrow we have to use here. And use the required size. Leader break. If you have two leader with intersection, there is one gap should be there. You can provide in annotation type break, select the leader. So one gap should be there. That gap you can provide here. Next is leader structure. The maximum leader point you can use it whatever you need. If it is 3, you have to put when you are providing the leader, you have to click 3 times. Next one, find segment angle. If you provide any segment angle, when you are providing the leader, there should be a angle type snapping is there. You can check like this. I just provide 60 degree. When I am using the leader, and 60 degree angled snapping is there. Next one is landing settings. If you provide automatic landing settings, there should be one gapped landing is there. That is marked item. If you untick this one, there should not be a landing. It is not look nice. We have to provide it actually. You tick the landing and you didn't put the automatic landing gapping. When you are making the leader, you have to click 3 times like this. Whatever the distance, you have to put it also. Instead of, if you are making the set distance, you don't need to click 3 times. You have to just click it 2 times. So the landing distance automatically will set. Scale, it should be annotative. You already told about the text style. Whatever the scale you are using on your layout, you have to put it here also. It is as per your requirement. You have to check the first on your layout. Whatever the scale you are using, the same scale you have to use here also. The content tab. For the leader type, what type you have to use? If you are using the block, you can have these types of option. We can try one more. The scale we have to adjust here. We can also use the circle also, or custom made. We can try circle also. Now we can try M text. If you need provide default text, you can provide something here. Then when you are making the leader, coming pop-up, if you put yes, you can rename it, or you put no, the default text will be there. The default text is sometimes it's complicated, so just remove it. Regarding the text style, we already learned about this 6A chapter. On below options, text angle, text color, everything we learned already in 6A chapter. One important thing is there, the frame text. If you tick this one, a rectangle around the text should be there. So it is very easy to use. For some time we can show this is a tag number 1, number 2, like that. If you don't need, you can change it manually by properties. Now let us bind the 6D chapter here. See you soon for next chapter. 6E should be table.